What's your name?
I'm Richie Nepomuceno. I'm 34 years old.
Okay. Do you have experience in domestic helper before?
No, sir.
Only
Here in
Philippines,
the
right?
Philippines. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Three children
3 children.
with my cousin.
Okay. With your cousin?
Yes, sir.
They pay you salary?
Yes, sir.
How much they pay you?
3,000, sir.
Okay. So, how many children there? How many children?
3, sir.
3.
3 girls.
3
two,
girls.
2,
Okay.
6, 10 years old.
Sometimes they argue.
Yes, sir.
So what will you do when they argue? When they shout?
I'm the center to stop to tell her not to fighting.
Okay. So you did tutoring.
Yes, sir.
What subject?
English and mathematics.
Okay. So and also what's the job there?
I'm all around, sir. I'm washing clothes, ironing clothes, and taking care of feeding.
Are you the one to cook the dinner?
Yes, sir.
You can prepare the whole dinner, right? Yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to go to in Hong Kong because I want to help my mother to build a new home.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank you.